up everybody and welcome back to another video. Now I thought that our Kraton EXB had all the upgrades it possibly needed. We've got the M2C chassis, scorched RC front hinge pin holder, custom RC upgrades rear hinge pin holders, both with M2C hinge pins, the M2C rear tower brace and a carbon shaft protecting the centre. And I honestly thought we had the world's best Kraton EXB. But then Scorched RC decided to bring out their new shock standoffs, and oh boy, are these a work of art. So this is the stock original EXB standoff, 3mm shaft and a separate sleeve. At some stage, Arrma decided to change that design and give you an all-in-one standoff. Big issue with this is if you break it in the field, you've got to replace it with a whole new one, and these cost dollars. And Scorched RC have copied the design from the original but upgraded it. They've got a 12.9 hardened steel 4mm screw, titanium sleeve. This is gonna be unbreakable. And yes, I know some of you out there are gonna be saying, but David, M2C have been doing 4mm upgraded stock standoffs for ages. They have, and they're very nice. They're just not what I like. Again, they are single units. If you break one in the field, you've got to replace it with a whole one, and they cost dollars. However, with the Scorched RC, break one in the field, you just got to replace it with a separate new bolt that costs pennies. Let's get these fitted onto the Kraton and we get out there and test them out. Just look at those guys. They look absolutely awesome. Right guys, I'm going to get the other two fitted, and then we're going to get out and test these. And I'll put a link in the description below where you can get all these parts from. What do you think I need?
A new body.
Just need a new body? This body is perfect. You need a new body, Claire?
I do need a new body.
What's going to happen in the woods, Jack?
Dogging.
Claire wants to go dogging in the woods. With Jack. Walking dogs. Hey, Steve. No. You've got a lot of cars. There's a lot in there. How many coming back in body bags?
None of them.
None of them? Because there's no armours in there, is there?
No, there aren't any.
No armours. We're safe. So we've got the new Scorched shop standoffs on there. We'll take it out into the woods and see what this can do. Oh guys, not sure where they're going to get on. There's a bit of a zombie apocalypse here. Jack, the master of the backflips. What do you reckon?
Easy.
That looks a bit wrinkly.
Is that reminiscent of anything?
Yes. A pepper army. Okay. Here you go, ladies. Oh man.
I'm breathing in at the moment.
Got pink stink.
It must, the receiver must have got wet.
Help you then. Poor. Oh, that stinks. Incoming, Jack. Kraton's going home in a body bag. It's raining tree. What was that?
Tree.
Oh, it's another tree. Are you aiming for the trees? Outcast 8S. Body bagging soon. What's happened? Tie rod in.
Yeah.
A screw. Might have one of those.
That is literally it. Good as gold.
Oh! Oh no! Pink stink number 2! Uh-oh.
Reach up again!
Oh. Whose idea was that, Aaron?
Who's driving now? I mean, it's going to get broken.
That is the sound of what?
A diff.
So the Kraton's down with a broken front diff. Let's see what the Xmaxx can do. Aaron's going to catch it.
Bonus points if you hit him, mate.
Oh! That was almost 10 points. Oh, Lipo's right out on that.
I got that, Dave.
Sorry, did you get that?
I did.
When?
I flinched and I went like that.
Oh, you've not got the balls.
I saw it hit the floor.
Yeah, the shell, guys. We really need a new shell. Comment down below what shell we should get. Oh. Oh, look. Broke the tree.
Sorry.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Are you sorry?
Don't you dare. I hate to say it, guys, but that is why the Xmaxx is the king of RCs. Hopefully you like that little testing of the new scorched RC titanium sleeved shot standoffs. What do you think, Jack?
Good.
Only good?
Yes, good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Okay, guys, remember what you got to do.
Subscribe, like,
Turn on the notifications
comment down below.
and give us a like. No, we've done a like. Check out those videos coming up around Jack
Right now.
Take care, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.